darling. Well done. What an effort to get here. Hey, crazy. We'll have a chat in a bit. And a Diablo. I don't know how the bloody Diablo got in. It's an outrage. Oh well. Look at this lovely yellow. 5000S with white. 5000S. That's lost its number plate. This one, oh, what a story. I'll tell you about it later. But they are legends to come in all the way down. Oh, that's 60. Hey! Doesn't matter. They all make it one way or another. We're gonna make it, guys. Not sure what's going on there. Valentino's here as well on the left, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. We'll sort it out. Valentino's here. He'll be fine. Ciao. Ciao. Here they come still. This is an epic convoy. Beautiful. I love the gold wheels. I might need to get gold on mine. The green anniversary. This blew the clutch 1 week and the guy got it done. Legend. Legend. Hey. I can't believe there's so many cars. I'm going to run out of films in a minute. That's beautiful. How clean is that? Have they literally just cleaned that? Makes mine look filthy. Cheeky little Murcielago, interloper, but you know what? All good. All parking up. And here's the orange. Orange anniversary. And at the back, red QV. There we go, guys. Amazing sights and sounds.